Friend, my name is Akmal. I am from 11 TPM1. Lionel Messi is an Argentine professional football player born 1 June 24, 1987 in Rosario player, Argentina. He plays as a forward and is widely regarded as one of the greatest footballers of all time. During his career, he played for FC Barcelona for many years before moving to Paris Saint-Germain and later Inter Miami. Messi is also an important player for the Argentine national team, which won the FIFA World Cup in 2022. And